Take it, Daddy. Okay?
Thank you.
Where did the door?
Cool drinks.
My cool drinks. Fanta and then the cool drinks.
Orange.
Huh?
Orange.
Fanta. Take it. That will be $9. Thank you. Hit the ball.
Thank you.
What do you think?